out back to get the tractor. I drove it here and I didn't notice it has a flat tire. It's right off the rim. So we got to figure this out, and we don't have a jack here, so we got to figure things out. And I got to get air in this tire because I need the tractor. I'm going to jack it up now without a jack. You ready?
I guess. I don't know. What's happening here? I don't know. Oh, what just happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Off the ground there?
Yeah, what the heck?
We got her off the ground now. Let's see if we can get this thing to take. So right now it's about 2 degrees Celsius out, and it's pretty cold. The rubber's pretty cold, and it's not on the bead anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a strap on the tire and try to seal the bead. I don't have a very good air compressor here. I don't have a jack. I'm at the cottage. So we just do what we have to.
Morning everybody, Loretta and Jason here at the off-grid cabin again.
Morning everybody. This week we're actually going to finish that tire on the tractor we started last week. We got into a bit of a kerpuffle or pickle or whatever. We didn't have the proper tools to do it. I have to patch the tire and try to install it with a small little 12 volt air compressor, but we got ways and we can do it.
Last week was a failure. I haven't shown you that yet. I'll show you a little bit here. But yeah, he'll get it done today. Oh.
I have a little 12 volt air compressor here. Let's see if we can get this to take some air. Hopefully it's taking it. Nope.
Not taking it?
Like I said earlier, it's really cold out, and I'm going to try to heat the bead up. Normally I'd use other means, but I don't have it here. I'll have to grab an axe handle.
Oh, I see it turning. Shoot. That's not good.
There's the problem right here. Big nail right here.
There's a nail?
Hello again. What we're going to do now is attempt to fix this tire. Still don't have the proper air compressor that I need. Mine is it's broken, and all I have is this little 12 volt. I'm hoping I can get this tire to seat on the bead and take air and do the proper patch that I have to do. There is a big nail in it. I will pull it out and I will show you guys. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this strap off of it. I know it's not sealing with it on. Now I'm going to hook up to this little battery pack.
You'll just have to turn the power on. I turned it off.
Let's see where we're at here. See, it's not seating.
Here you can see Jason spraying the inside of the tire with some brake clean. This is definitely not something he recommends anybody does. Just trying to show you that sometimes when we're off grid and we don't have the proper tools, we have to make do with what we've got. And this coming up is also something he definitely does not recommend.
There it is. Yep. There it is. Did you see it go up?
Yes, it did. That was awesome. What the heck? I've never seen that done before. I was frightened. But don't do this at home, guys.
Well, that's how it's done. Right now I'm going to pull this nail out, if you can see that there. I left it in. It's just easier to know where it is. Clean it out first. Plug it. I warm these up so they're nice and pliable. it looks like here.
Now, what would the actual right tools to do the job be?
Right tool's a bigger air compressor and a tire blaster. Oh, it's going now. Something's happening. 4. Come on. 4.5.
What's it gotta go to?
25 or so.
Oh, geez, Frank.
When I get a chance, I'm going to take this tire off and put an actual patch inside, like a big truck repair. And what I'll do is patch it from inside, and there'll be a slug that goes through. So you get a slug and a patch. This is kind of stuff you got to do when you don't have the right tools, and you got to get stuff done. And what this did was tightened up the bead on the rim. I've done this to big trucks too.
There's the nail.
We have 25 psi in here now. I'll just go to the other side and check it, make sure it's up to 25.
So he's going to do the other side the same, 25 psi.
17.
That's 17, so he's going to fill her up so they're the same. Good job. Now that the tire's fixed, we can actually get some stuff done that we had to put off last week. Cleaning up so we can bring this tarp thing in.
That's fine. I'm going to put these all under here like this.
Okay, that's a good idea. So we'll bring the post in first. I'll just hand them to you since
Yep.
you're down there.
It's a good idea.
Hey.
Just setting these under here to get them out of our way.
That's it.
We're going to put another floor on top of this. So do its own thing. You bugger.
Clean up today. Get rid of some of this crud. Pile it nice, neat, and tidy.
Gonna get a fire going here. We got a bunch of old brush and stuff and old wood we're gonna burn and get rid of it.